This program shows you how to effectively consume fat quicker with metabolic cooking. This framework professes to assist you with finding snappy and simple fat-torching recipes structured with basic digestion-boosting fixings. This framework offers you a superior option in contrast to exhausting weight control plans. It incorporates 250 fat-torching recipes that truly taste generally excellent. Have you attempted different eating regimens previously and have not gotten the outcomes you were searching for? On the off chance that you are a bustling individual and don't have a lot of time to spend in the kitchen and you choose you need to take a stab at something else and crisp, this could be the program you are searching for. The Metabolic Cooking Framework gives you a crisp option in contrast to those cliché diet programs. On the off chance that you have utilized fat loss cookbooks previously, you may have understood that they don't work. These books don't work in light of the fact that the recipes are not produced using nourishments with a high metabolic thermocharge and there is no structure to cause you to consume more muscle to fat ratio. Those cookbooks don't assist you with battling the metabolic adjustment marvel. The sound fat loss cookbooks utilize an inappropriate fixings. These books give you fixings that urge your body to store fat like margarine, unhealthy dressings and sugar. These recipes aren't improved for fat loss. A few cookbooks aren't sorted out to make snappy and simple supper plans and the books aren't organized for simple use. The books give you a similar exhausting plans and this will contribute hindering your digestion to where you won't lose fat any longer. With this data, you are most likely thinking about how the metabolic cooking framework can change all that for you. Arrangement 1, the recipes have all been structured with high metabolic thermocharge fixings. This procedure will permit certain nourishments to cause your body to consume fat. This uses the thermogenic impact of those food sources. The metabolic thermocharge of nourishment represents what number of calories your body is going to torch simply breaking the supplements each time you expend a specific nourishment. Arrangement 2, metabolic cooking utilizes an incredible profiling framework for its recipes. This extraordinary metabolic nutrient profile is the framework that is utilized in all the recipes all through program. This likewise permits you to see the supplements that you're taking in and it ensures that every supper is making the most out of your metabolic rate. Arrangement 3, these recipes will likewise battle the metabolic adjustment wonder. This marvel happens at the point on your eating routine arrangement where your body unmistakably recognizes what it's getting as far as nourishment admission and has completely adjusted to that. When it arrives at this express is when fat loss stops. This is a baffling time in light of the fact that the body has adjusted to the nourishment admission, you're taking care of it and eases back the digestion down to coordinate it. The Metabolic Cooking Bundle can assist you with getting around this marvel. Click the link below in description to download free Metabolic Cooking ebook.